Hello, wonderful people. I greet you all. If you are looking for job abroad with sponsorship, Q Blue Netherlands is giving golden opportunity. Where are they? They are in Netherlands. You can call it Holland or Dutchland, or you call it Alonso as Igbos call them. So, Netherlands is a very good country. It's a rich country that has so many jobs. They are calling you to come and apply, and they will cater from everything, and you will come with your family. Go to Google and type in Q Blue Netherlands, then hit enter. When you hit enter, you will see everything you need to know. You will see where to apply and the jobs available. You will see that there is 11 jobs, clear job that you can apply. Then start to apply. I will show you how you going to navigate or go about it. Let's go. Wonderful people, we have joined Google. So go to Google and type in, I will show you, just a minute. Just type Q Blue, or you type careers at Q Blue. When you type in careers at Q Blue, look at it. I've typed it here where I circled. Then look at where you will click here. Click here, or you can click here. Look at it. Either here or here. Look at all vacancies. Career at Q Blue. Cool Blue is they based in Netherlands. So, dear people, so let's go ahead. Let's go ahead and click. I will click this, the main website. Look at it. I will click this. Let's click it. Click. So I have clicked it. It's opening. Look at where it leads us. So it's open to this page. Job at Q Blue. Jobs at Q Blue. So scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down to the bottom. Ka anyị gaba and read about them. Gụọ maka fọ ọfụma. Scroll to the bottom. Na-enye ụmụnne na-enye ebe. Na-enye. Look at it here. Vacancies. Here I circled. So let's click all vacancies. I'm going to click it now. Click. So I've clicked it. Look at where it opens. It opens here. And it's telling you that they have about 11 vacancies. And look at this. Data platform engineer is one of them, number 1. As you scroll down, you will see many. Can you click go the first one? Let's click the first one. Let's click the first one. This one. Data. There's so many jobs there. So let's click the first one. Click. Look at where it leads us. So you read everything here and experienced data platform engineer. You will design, build, and read all the rest. So they are asking you whether you need it. Look at it here. Want this? Ọ na-ajụ gị ịchọrọ ya. So ụmụnne, you click at this green button now. So you click you bido tinye bọọlụ. You see it leads us here. Look at where it opens. So you type in your name, surname, email, phone number. Neni apply. Unufilia apply. So una fugi umunne. Yeah, we have showed you how you're going to navigate about it. So umunne, una fugi ka anyị si wee gosi unu ka unu si ga emezie. So umunne, ihe unu ga-eme bụ unu neneche ihe ọ dị unu mma. Unu hit ye like, comment, share. Ọ bụrụ na ị nwere ajụjụ, if you have question, ask in the comment section. Please share, comment, and like, and invite others. Ndewono. Hello, wonderful people. This is the link. You can screenshot it, or you type it into your browser, or you can simply type in Q Blue Netherlands or Q Blue vacancies in the Google. Then you are good to go. ndewonu ka emesịa.